As you can see guys, I am putting the bike on center stand just with the use of one hand. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandran Prasad and you are watching The Absolute Rider. So if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update from my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to learn that how to park your Royal Enfield bikes with the help of center stand, because I have seen many people struggling to put their bikes on the center stand because the Royal Enfield Classic 350's weight is 186 kgs exactly. So the bike is not lightweight anymore. The bike is heavier compared to the R15, and the access is not at all included in this. It will be around 100 to 120 kilos, but R15's curb weight is 136 kilos, but the Royal Enfield Classic 350's weight is 186. So the bike is heavier, and I have seen people buying Royal Enfield who are very thin and they struggle a lot to put their bikes on center stand. But there is one trick to put the bikes on center stand guys, and I will be showing you what that trick is. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you have any doubts then you can surely follow me on my Instagram and put up your queries there. I can surely respond to you there. So let's start this video guys. As I said in my previous video, I had installed a new side stand for my bike, and you can see the posture right now. It's not too bent, it's totally fine. So guys, let's start the video, and as you can see right now the bike is on side stand and I will lift up the bike. So make sure when you are putting the center stand, your side stand as well is on, because while putting this your leg slip and you got mixed like this, then your side stand protects you and your bike from falling down. So make sure it's on as well, and I will show you how to put this in. So guys, they have given this extra rod. So as you can see, this is the extra rod they have given to put the center stand itself. So you just need to stand on it. You just need to keep your leg on it. Give the more pressure on that rod than pulling your bike behind. So when you are giving the pressure on that rod, the bike just easily comes behind. So did you saw? It's very easy guys. So I will show you once again. There is one rod given on the center stand. So you need to stand on it, give some pressure on it, and just hold this rail bar for your support and just stand on that rod. There you go. So it's as simple as that guys. And when you are removing your bike from the center stand, make sure you keep your leg like this, so that you are giving the support from the front to that rod and just pulling your bike with the help of this railing bar to the front. That's it. It's as simple as that guys. So I'll be parking the bike from here. So guys, I'm showing you how to put the stand from the another angle. So we stood on this, the rod which we have on the center stand. We need to just hold this. As you can see guys, I am putting the bike on center stand just with the use of one hand. I'm just holding my right hand to the rail bar. I'm just standing on that rod and just pull it. So guys, as you saw, I didn't put any pressure from my side. It was just the bike which was doing its work. As I showed you in the video, there will be a rod given to the stand attached by the Royal Enfield, and you just need to stand on it and pull the bike with the help of this railing bar. So it's as simple as that guys. I have seen many people struggling, and yes, in the beginning I was not able to put my bike on the center stand, but later by the day passed I got to learn how to put it. And if you need more tips like this, the basic tips, the basic needs for your bikes, then you can surely comment down below. I will be free to make a video. So center stand is the main part in any bikes. You can clean it, you can do whatever you want, but not on the R15 or sports bike. You need to buy a paddock stand for that, and you cannot trust on some of the paddock stand guys. One of my friends I had ordered a paddock stand from Amazon. It was very thin, guys. It couldn't even control the weight of the R15, just the 136 kilos. It couldn't control the weight of this bike. Then what will it do when it comes to super bike? If the quality is like that, then what else can be done? So the center stand is really best, guys. So make sure you park your bikes on center stand during this quarantine till it finishes. But on the normal days, you can park your bikes on side stand itself, because you will be using continuously day by day. So that's the tip, guys. So guys, we saw how to put up the center stand on any bikes actually, not only on the Royal Enfield. If you are having any heavy bikes above 160 kilos or 170 kilos, then you can easily follow this. So if you guys think that it was a very important information, then please make sure you hit a big thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to put their Royal Enfield on center stand, and comment down below if you have any more tips which I need to provide you guys, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new updates like this. Please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. And by telling this, I would like to sign out this video, guys. So take care, see you, bye bye.